Hi everyone, thank you again for joining me. In this episode, I'm gonna do garden theme arrangements. I'm gonna do 3 arrangements. I'm gonna use multiple things that I found from the craft store. I actually went in without any expectations and I found some fun, cool garden theme products that I'm gonna use to make floral arrangements in. I think you're gonna find it really interesting because there's a lot of cool stuff that out of the normal kind of presentation. And I picked out some amazing flowers. I picked out kumquats, which is the fruit. Obviously, it's a citrus fruit. I've got some peachy orangey carnations. I've got some brown dyed tulips. I've got some brown spray roses. I think these are mums, chrysanthemums or mums. And then I've got some ranunculus and greenery that I forgot what the name of it is. It's probably in the geranium family. And I've got this evergreen pine tree that was probably from the holidays that I have rolling around in the store, and I thought this would be interesting to do kind of a landscapey, gardeny type of arrangement. If this is the first time you're tuning in, I thank you for that. Make sure you follow me on all social medias, on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. It's all under my hashtag #Zaratsian, but you will see it on the side of the screen. It takes a long time to come up with the concepts and actually do amazing videos for you guys, so I hope you're enjoying them as much as I love creating them for you. Go back and make comments, suggestions, reach out to me. I love to hear from you guys. So let's get this started. I'm gonna move some of the flowers over and I'm gonna start with maybe the simplest of all arrangements. And I'm gonna start with our flower wagon. And I'm gonna pull this out for you so you can see it on the screen. I think this is so cool. I think it has such a cute novelty. I'm gonna take a piece of cellophane and my floral foam. I'm gonna prep that up. And then I'm gonna start picking out my flowers. I'm gonna start with my green. As you can see, the stem is filled with variations of leaves. So I'm cutting them and I'm gonna cover my foam, the most important thing that I need to do in design. All right, cover your mechanics. Got this all filled now the way I wanted with the kumquats. And now I'm gonna go in with my carnations. And I'm gonna tuck probably about 4 stems here and there. Again, as I can't see exactly how I'm designing, I'm just going by experience of my eye and the placement of the flowers. I might have to move it around, and I'm doing more than 5. I thought I was going to do 5, but I'm doing probably 6 stems. I don't think I want to add anything else. Maybe I might tuck in a couple of the dark colored brownish spray roses. I think it might add a little bit of dark and richness to this instead of light and airy and playful right now. I'm adding the spray roses, the brown spray roses in here. And as you can see, I'm cutting them apart a little bit. Look how amazing that's turning out. Love, 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 love it. So I'm gonna pull this out and I'm gonna start the other arrangement for you. The next one I'm gonna do for you, I think I'm gonna start, I almost wanna take these gnome, right? Gnome, I did get it right, gnome. And I've already taken this basket, it's already lined, and I've taken a floral foam, a wet floral foam. And take one of these gnomes, maybe this one right here. I don't think I need to fix it yet. I think if I take my kumquats, the branches of the kumquats, I kind of can feel like it can make a little area, like a little, so it doesn't have, the gnome stays in its place. Oh, so nice. It's turning out incredible. Now I will take the ranunculus. These are a very, very interesting variety. They're almost like the petals are like paper-like, if that makes any sense. I'm gonna pull this out and I'm gonna show you the third one I'm thinking of. I don't know if I'm gonna do 4 in this video, I'm gonna do 3. I think I'm gonna do 4. If I can get it to 4, now I'm gonna go with this 4th container, and it's a basket, very neutral basket. And I'm going to take my piece of cellophane, and I'm gonna take 2 pieces of foam that I've already pre-soaked. And I'm not gonna worry about the size right now. I'm gonna take this moss. So I'm going to cut a piece of this foam, and I'm gonna remove it completely and trash it. And then I'm gonna take this evergreen tree that I had left over. It's a potted plant. And then I'm gonna take this beautiful sculpture, as you can see. So it looks very, very foresty, right? Very gardeny, very foresty. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do something really crazily wild, right? Is I'm not even gonna pay attention to anything. And I'm going to just place flowers and greenery just randomly. I know it's, when I say randomly, you think that I'm not thinking about it. I'm still, in my head, I have an idea of what I want. Randomly doesn't mean it's not thought out. It's more like, I'm gonna be a little bit more creative, so I'm just gonna be playful with it, okay? But I still have an idea of what I wanted to finish to end up looking like. Otherwise, it's gonna look like a hot mess. For sure, there's no way you'll come up with a great design without really thinking about it. You know, I've been contemplating on getting different people onto my YouTube videos as guests. So if you guys have any suggestions who I would be great with on camera, because I'd like to bounce my ideas and be playful and maybe have some guests come and I would talk it over and I would make one and I would have them make one or something of that nature. So, you know, shout out to me and let me know if there's anybody that you're particularly thinking that I would be great with. Right? Look at how adorable this is. So cute. I'm gonna throw out the trash. So I'm gonna do my last arrangement and it's gonna be in your garden rubber boots, right? This is already a poly resin container that I found in the craft store. And I thought it was pretty cool. They had it in the white and the green version. Of course, if anyone knows me, I love the color green, especially this earthy, foresty green. I love to wear black all the time, but my favorite color is green. Also money, right? And then I'm gonna take these flowers that I randomly have, and I'm just gonna loosely be very, very, very playful with it. Very loosely. You know, you can even buy, you know, go to the supermarket and buy these like mixed bouquets that they have and just plop them in there. You might not have all these fun elements like these playful ranunculus that's like an arm and a leg at the flower market, but I also think that they add so much more character to their arrangement. I don't need to cut it or anything, because I think the height of it is in the right. Look at that. And playful that looks. Hey, we have some kumquats we can always use here. Now, the fun thing about kumquats is, right, look, because of some of the way the movement is, because it hangs off heavy on one side, and I can just go up in here, and what I would do, I don't have to do it on both sides if I don't want to. This is one whole stem. This is one whole branch. Obviously, I can't use it like that. Look at that. I did the kumquats and then it came out something, you know, adding layers always comes out really amazing. Let me clean out this table, let me style it for you and see how this is all gonna go together beautifully. And this can be a really interesting, like, you know, sweet buffet, you know, for your desserts, or if you were doing a whole like brunch with your friends, a garden theme. Like, there's so many uses to this, right? It's all into your imagination. So let me clean it up, stylize it for you, come back so I can share how gorgeous this is with you. So I'm back, and look at this garden theme that I just came up with for you, and we use Gnomes. I hope I said that correctly, and if I didn't, you know, excuse me, this brain works much faster. This is episode number, God knows how many, but it's the second one I'm shooting for the day. It's been a really interesting, fun one, with all these like beautiful like spray roses, the mums, the kumquats, the spray roses, the ranunculus. I mean, look, just different parts of the theme of you know, using, you know, obviously all these wonderful containers and accessories, but pulling it all together and see how amazing it looks. So again, thank you for tuning in. I love you guys so much. The feedback that I'm getting from you guys is completely positive. You should see the comments that you guys are making, so I am so blessed that you're doing that. Continue to support me. Follow me on Instagram and all the social medias that you will see on the screen. And peace out, and I will see you next time.